right? Previous videos we have learned how to model fuselage and how to import NACA airfoil from website. Today we learn how to model wings. So at first I need to open these cases. Okay. To make it easier, I will hide the fuselage. Okay, this is okay. So at first, I will sketch an airfoil at the right plane. Okay. Previously, I have imported NACA airfoil. My PC set from that one. This one. This airfoil have used in root airfoil in Boeing 737. So I open it and copy, Control C. See, we need to connect to this code. Change. Okay, then I need to scale it. Scale. Select the entities. Scale about. You can select any point here. The scale will be 7.86. 7.86. Okay. Then I move it to this place. Select the entities. Then from 2. Let's see the position, if it is okay or not. I can make the mirror. Okay, good. The position is good. Okay. Hide this portion. So This is the position. Okay. So our first airfoil is completed. We'll place our second airfoil at this position. So we need to import a reference plane. We need to take a reference plane here. Reference will be a right plane. Close, and then okay, I think that should be okay. So now we will discuss the second airfoil in this time. So again, we'll open our second airfoil. This is B737B. So we'll open it. Control C. Paste Control P. And first, we need to connect the cords. Okay, the routine. So we need to scale it down. The scale here. 0.04. Select the entities. Scale point here, and the scale will be 0.04. So how we get the scale ratio? At first, when we import the airfoil, we need to measure how how the length of the airfoil and what will be the length of our airfoil in our Boeing 737-800, and by divided the dimensions we get the scale. So the scale will be 0.04. The scale will be 0.04. Okay. So now we'll move the entity. Place it here. And first, how we place it? First left click, then right click in the mouse, then you do paste. So let me see. We need to. I think it is good enough. Good. Okay, our second airfoil sketch is completed. Now we'll place our last airfoil. In between there is airfoil here, but for time to make the video shorter, I omitted this one. You can place airfoil here also. So I will place now the last airfoil at the tip cord. So to make it, okay. So again, I will take a reference plane. The reference will be the right plane. What will be the distance? It will be half of wingspan. It is 17160 millimeter. Okay, this is the position. So in this case, this point. Again, we need to open our last airfoil. This is the outboard airfoil. Control C. Control V. First. Then you need to scale down, scale. Sort of the scale ratio, it will be scale will be 0.012. Okay. Move it. What will be the position? Left click, then right click. Okay, let's see the position is okay or not. Yeah, I think the position is okay. Move it a little up. also completed. Good. Now we need to draw a 3D guideline here. Select the spline. Select this one. Here. Okay. Okay, that's good. This is our first guideline, and we need to draw second guideline. This point, select this point, select this point. Okay. This point to this point. Okay. So our second guideline also completed. Okay, good. Now, okay. So now we will make a loft surface for the wings. So you can see if you hide the sketches, you can see better. So now go to surface, then go to surface, select the curves. Curves 1, curve 2, curve 3. Then guided curve. This is our guide 1. This is guide 2. Good. So this is our wings. We can hide the plane. We need to cover this face also, because this is a gap here. You can see the gap. So I need to fill this by fill surface. You can select this one, this one. Okay. So there is a fill the gap. So now we will see how it would look like. Now we will mirror it. Feature, then mirror to bodies to mirror. So bodies to mirror this one. And this surface also. The reference will be the right fly. See? Okay, so our wings is completed. that's it for today. Thank you for watching. So our next video will see how to draw the horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer.